ExpressVPN versus PureVPN, best for global location spoofers versus best for streaming enthusiasts. That's the question on the table today, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for your needs. Whether you're looking to spoof your location globally or unlock content from streaming services, this comparison has you covered. Stick around because I'll also share a recommendation you won't want to miss at the end. Let's dive into it. First, when it comes to global location spoofing, ExpressVPN is widely considered one of the best options. Why? It offers over 90 countries to choose from, which means you can virtually travel anywhere without any limitations. It's fast, secure, and the speed won't be an issue when you're hopping between locations. However, it's also important to note that while ExpressVPN offers a solid, all-around service, it can be a bit pricier compared to other options. But if you value reliability, that's something to consider. Next thing, PureVPN, on the other hand, also offers a great number of server locations, though slightly fewer than ExpressVPN. What stands out is its flexibility and cost-effectiveness. For those who are really focused on location spoofing, PureVPN does offer a robust and cheaper alternative, especially if you're looking for an affordable option with solid features. But one thing to consider is that PureVPN has been involved in some controversy in the past around logging policies, though they've since made significant strides to clear up their reputation. Still, it's something to keep in mind. Now, moving on to streaming. If you're someone who loves to binge watch shows from all over the world, streaming is where these two services diverge a bit more. ExpressVPN is known for its ability to unblock Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Hulu, and more with ease. It's fast, reliable, and often a go-to choice for streamers because of its ability to access content without buffering issues. However, the downside is that ExpressVPN doesn't always guarantee that you'll access every country's version of Netflix or streaming library, and there may be some instances where it's a bit hit or miss. The fourth thing, PureVPN has a strong reputation in the streaming world as well, especially when it comes to unblocking restricted content. It supports a variety of streaming platforms, including Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney+. But PureVPN isn't always as consistent as ExpressVPN. Some users report issues with certain servers not bypassing geo-restrictions on specific services. While it does provide access to a broad range of platforms, there's a slight edge that ExpressVPN holds here in terms of reliability. Now let's talk speed. ExpressVPN generally outperforms PureVPN when it comes to speed, especially with global location spoofing. If you're trying to access content from across the world, ExpressVPN ensures smooth performance, whether it's browsing or streaming. PureVPN, while good, tends to see a slight dip in performance, especially on longer distance connections. This could be an issue if you want top-tier performance when spoofing your location. Next, let's touch on security and privacy. ExpressVPN uses AES, 256 encryption, the gold standard in VPN encryption, and has a strict no-logs policy. This means your online activities are safe and private. PureVPN also offers AES, 256 encryption, but the concerns around past logging practices may make some users hesitant. That said, they've made changes, and for most people, it's now considered a trustworthy option, but it's important to always stay aware. Lastly, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, PureVPN does have the advantage in terms of pricing. But if you want the premium experience, whether it's for global location spoofing or streaming, ExpressVPN is your go-to option. To wrap things up, both ExpressVPN and PureVPN are good, but after testing both myself, there's a better alternative for the goals mentioned in the title. If you're interested in location spoofing or streaming with ease, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out. Check it out now.